In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to analyze form submission data in HubSpot so you can make smarter, data-driven decisions for your marketing. Start by heading to the marketing menu and clicking on Forms. This is where all your forms are stored. Once you're there, click on the Analyze tab at the top. This is where your data comes to life. At the top left, you'll see filters. Begin by setting a date range so you can focus on a specific time period like last month or a campaign window. You can also filter by a specific form name if you want to analyze one form in detail. If you need deeper insights, use advanced filters. These allow you to break down submissions by things like lifecycle, stage, location, or other contact properties. This helps you understand not just how many people submitted your form, but who they are. Scroll down and you'll see a table showing key metrics for each form like views, submissions, and conversion rates. This gives you a quick overview of performance. To go deeper, click on any form name. This opens detailed analytics for that specific form so you can understand how it's performing and where improvements can be made. If you want to compare multiple forms, select them using the check boxes and click Compare. This lets you see performance side by side, which is perfect for testing different forms or campaigns. For more advanced analysis, head over to Reporting and click Reports. Then Create Report. Choose Custom Report and select form-related data as your source. From there, you can drag and drop fields like form name, submissions, and conversion rate to build a report tailored to your needs. Once done, save and share it with your team. And that's it. You now know how to analyze form submission data in HubSpot and turn raw numbers into actionable insights.